Now, we have understood one thing, that the activities are of two kinds, economic activities and non-economic activities. So, a lady working at home day and night does not get paid, so is a non-economic activity. But a lady who goes outside home and gets little money is an economic activity. In the chapter, they talk about two different families wherein in one of the household, the lady goes out and sells fish and thus is doing economic activity, whereas in the other household, she is just a plain simple housewife who does no work. So, that is categorized as non-economic activity. So, the basic idea of the division of the economic and non-economic activity seems to be just the generation of money. Now, when we talk of the economic activities further, they are classified into three: primary, secondary and tertiary activities. Primary activities are those activities which deal with all the natural things, that is agriculture, mining, fishing, forestry. All this is primary activity, something that nature has given to us as a gift and we are utilizing that, that's a primary activity. Next is the secondary activity, when the raw material that we derive from the primary activity is processed, that is called as the secondary activity. That is, the changing of raw material into a finished product is called as the secondary activity. Generally, the factories, the industries are considered to be into the secondary activity. Tertiary activity. Tertiary activity is in fact providing services to the people, whether it is the hotels or it is the transport, it is all providing services to mankind. That's called as the tertiary activity. Now, what I can say is cotton. If you say cotton is what? It is a primary product. When it manufactures into cloth, it is what? It is a secondary product. And when this cloth is taken from one place to another by some mode of transportation, that's like providing the tertiary services, that is providing the third economic activity.